Let's see the edit.
Governor Amuneke again has awarded one of the biggest projects in Africa, an ultra-modern hospital, to engineer Sabinus. The money awarded was too much in cash that he had to call his people to help escort him home for his safety. It was such an emotional moment as he shed tears of joy.
Lord of God.
Hello guys, I want to deal with the sup. It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So my people, make sure to watch to the very end because this is by far the most funniest and fantastic video you've ever seen. So make sure to watch to the very end, drop nice comment, share this video, and you know, tell me what you think. So don't play guys, let's go have some fun.
She's going to be fine, eh? Madam, please, I'm very sorry. But we need you to make a deposit before I let her inside the hospital. My daughter is dying for crying out loud and you're telling me to make a deposit before you treat her? Now only your pikin I know die for this hospital. I don't understand. Madam, I beg, relax. So. Please, I beg in the name of God. I don't want to lose her, please. See, madam, I beg, this one a hospital. Don't be charity. I beg, don't put me in trouble. I don't even have any money to deposit, please. Okay, you know what? Let me go and look for the doctor because I don't want problem. Okay? Sorry.
Madam, you are shouting now. This is an hospital for crying out loud. There are other patients in this hospital. What's what happened now?
Sir, this woman brought her child here. She wants us to attend to the child, but she's not making any deposit.
That's how things are done in this hospital.
My daughter is dying. Please, she's my only daughter.
But your daughter is not the first daughter to die in this hospital now. We have a lot of daughters that have died. Stop making us look like heartless and wicked human beings. Madam, you have to deposit before we attend to your daughter. I'm sorry.
Please, I don't know.
Madam, you have to deposit a beg. Not be beans to take build this hospital.
Other people need this bed.
They'll carry up Kiki for granted. That's the reality, what we are facing.
Daddy's home!
Daddy!
The same doctor, you don't come out now and go meeting children.
Yeah, tell me about school today. So how was school?
We went for excursion!
Hey, home.
My baby!
How's work today?
He's enjoying with his family. Why this woman is in pain?
You see? Somebody's daughter is dead. Because all you care about is your hospital. Now you are back to your lovely home, lovely children, beautiful wife. You don't even care. I don't even know the difference between you guys and Fulani yes-men. I feel the difference is just that lab coat, that white lab coat.
Abby,
I swear.
a memory of those who lost too soon, not by illness, but by a system that plays. Balo.
Baba? Yeah? What are you dey find?
Rain no carry my budu run, I no see am.
Rain carry budu? Yeah. Now wow, rain they carry your guts.
That's what I say today.
So which side where the flood carry and go now?
Let's see this inside gutter.
Moko they find them together now. Yeah, man. Oh, wow, this is kind of God's way the person they find like this. Hey, Budu, why you there? Hey, Budu, why I get plan to come do juju?
No think I'm
You don't lost. No be juju be that.
Juju be that. What do you want to steal? Your guy pass you. Your guy pass you. Brother Solo.
I said, will you take off your shoe? Oh, good kill now.
Sorry, sir.
What brought you to my shrine?
Here's the stomach.
The stomach.
As we know, we do on our own. When they tell us, say, we go learn taekwondo. Say, they not go give us security again. May everybody be security of himself. So we don't let the karat now. And we come reason and say, we know if you use karat, go face who carry kala. Now some will come meet you, may you do a day shift for us.
You are in the right place. You are welcome. Jesuyo, Jesu.
What a struggle.
Jesuyo, Jesu. Onanungu we woji mo wena. Okitele nyobe. Step forward. And off your clothes.
Nigeria, they see you. Nigeria, they see you.
You deliver Paul and Silas.
Ah.
You deliver Paul and
So how they
Silas.
sing Paul and Silas?
My Lord, you deliver Paul and Silas.
Some people too do.
You will surely deliver me.
You be Baba, they sing Paul and Silas.
My eyes have seen, my ears have heard, my mouth will talk about the goodness of God. My eyes have seen, my ears have heard, my mouth will talk about the goodness of God.
How about list, Baba, when they sing about God? That one, how about list?
Ah, no, Baba, no. I believe you. Hey!
Don't know what you use you story.
Eze stomach does not do charm which it does not test.
No.
To see the potency of my charm.
I beg, why not people?
I can see you are scared. Let me test it on myself. So you will believe.
You know that you.
Did you see it? Now take and shoot your brother. Test your brother. What's going on here? I said take and test it on your brother.
You don't enter.
Baba don't die now.
Someone's poor man picking glad that you know the last part of it.
Baba don't die.
Can't learn anymore.
Upon all the song where you sing.
You will teach us.
Upon all the song where you sing, you still quiet.
Which time things go just day like this better for me? Since I come at this life now, from one suffer to another, I never enjoy life. Even though it's only one day, God. Make I just enjoy small life. Make I just change small location like this. Now when now, God? When you go remember me? When you go reach my turn now? I never tire. This stuff I never do.
God will remember you very soon.
What's happened?
You're gonna come and go inside.
Who be these people? Who get all these things?
Mama, you want to enjoy life, Abi? Now me the woman. I go make you proud. Time don't reach where you go enjoy life.
But you can't see money now.
Mama, I beg, forget that one. I beg me gonna come now. Me gonna come, don't they go?
Here you go. See, you know what make me talk here. See those you follow. What do you worry? If I'm flatting, come on. I stupid.
Mama, drop this broom. We could go shop.
Hey, God, now say the answer prayer quick. Cry off the window, don't touch you for heart. Hey, God, thank you. Make we go. Hey, I want this know that you make me proud. How a proud mother can
You never tell us where you from see this money. One man.
Mama, how your body now?
Don't talk and warm. Hell, the thing they enter my head. You get as they do me. They do me thing.
Na massage. Away in a dream.
Mama, go carry your bag. Mom could go vacation.
Mama, not vacation again. After everything, what we don't enjoy finish. Oh, you never tell me where all this money they from come.
Mama, you say you want enjoy life, Abi? Now the thing now, go carry bag. Mom could go vacation.
What now? We come home, Can you just Again.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. Hope no problem.
Your son took a loan of 15 million naira from our loan company.
And also, madam, he used this house as a collateral. So we're here to take this house because he has not paid for the loan.
Hey! Which house?
come they suffer.
What's up, Shorty? My name Ricky Funds. How you doing? Oh, this one I get so man. Shingon who?
神经病吧？
懂，这是健康哦。
OK， 你脑子没问题吧？啊？
注意什么？
真的是有神经病。
Oh, this one I get so man. This one no hear anything. Nah, Shinko. Afa Nazuko. I don't see one nice client here.
You sure say that better manga?
No worry. This one don't hear anything. No, I just speak English. Nah, Shinko, yeah.
Put that for her body now.
No worry, I'm gonna put it in the body.
So like this now, if she can't send the gift card now, what we go come trade her?
Oh, not true. I will go trade that gift card like this now.
You can download top gift card on Apple Store, Play Store. Their prices are highest in Nigeria. They're fast and reliable and safe.
Ah, sharp. Zuko, say you don't hear everything like this now.
That shit don't speak the English.
I just change my English back to my normal, you know what I'm saying? She know you hear shit.
You be mumu.
Wait. You heard everything that we just said?
Yes?
Everything we had to talk.
Yeah.
All the things I'm saying, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, I hear what this thing what you say.
Hey! Don't die, yo. Maybe Bezume. Ricky! Is it disturbing you?
Yes.
I ain't disturb nobody. I'm just going on my own. Yes. Come here. Oh, damn.
Yay. My guy done dead.
I died, they die so. Now they die so.
What's going on here? Huh?
Babe!
Mama, don't go far.
I said I'm not cheating on you. I don't want cheating on me. Let me search your phone.
Okay, fine. On one condition, I'm also going to search your phone.
No problem.
Okay.
Open your bank app.
Yes! I didn't want to steal my money.
I know when I transfer narration until they chat.
My phone!
Jesus. Your phone. So your plan is to kill me, Abby. If you see what I see for this phone.
I'm still going to search your phone anyways.
Hey! You saw me?
My phone.
Hey now.
You know, I be wicked man, no. This guy.
No problem.
Soso.
I'm still searching.
He shot you.
Switch it up, baby.
What's going on here?
Na devil you be, Dino you. Na devil you be or you.
This I didn't know. She's not responding to my treatment.
She gonna respond now.
Tell me the one she's not me in this situation. You know what I saw on your phone? Do you know what I saw on your phone?
Go back.
For me, you never check finish.
Which guys you gonna get for the
Hello?
phone?
Lindy way. Hello? Hello? Lindy way, hello? Lindy way.
Now why? Even Beyonce said the answer person. Who be this one?
Peggy.
God forbid.
Peggy, not be you that they call.
They call me. I don't know.
Now 35 you dey go, so you never marry, you still block here. Hey! Even DJ copy will be DJ not block here, reach like this. Chai. Later now, they complain say man not they come your way, you know the serious man. The one way come your way, now you block here. Tomorrow now you call the run church to church, they find miracle husband. Pastor Kota, you say go and get me start from your father's village. Okay. Start with reach to build bungalow. You don't pack all of them, go church, they go pray. Cause unnecessary erosion anyhow for village. Who biggest set for here? DJ Akaba.
Not true, sure.
Very be alarm. Abo the kisu. Haru Nduka. Obiala Hosula. My son, what brings you to the shrine of Ibudu?
Baba, they say Nigeria hard, eh? If you like my body be the show glass. Baba, they suffer. The most pressing issue I get as I speak so on my house rent. My landlord is on my neck. If I feel see money chop and money to pay rent, I'm good. I don't want so much. Nothing concern me to Nelumelu success. Not just pay rent, 6 food chop, I beg. Hey!
House rent is not the issue, my son. Very be alarm. The gods will smile on you. The gods will smile on you, my son. Oh, Shimilio! How much is your rent?
My rent now 500,000. Small self-contained what they manage for hello.
Baba don't come.
The gods will join you soon.
What's going on here?
Your problem will be solved. All you have to do is to pay 10% of your rent. That's 50,000. And in 2 days, open your wardrobe. You will see your house rent there.
50,000?
Yes.
If I get 50,000, I go there here. I beg, I don't get that kind of money. I don't get that kind of money.
He would let
See pressure.
The gods will join you.
You sure say this one no be apprentice?
Everybody be alarmed. Here. The gods has smiled on you. Discounts of 20,000 naira. So you are going to drop 30,000 naira. And I will start the incantation to appease the gods and your rent will be yours.
Now 30,000, they talk small. 30,000! 30,000! I don't get that kind of money, I don't get to.
Even after the gods gave you a promo, you cannot still add hair? Oh, the gods will join you.
The gods will join you. Which kind gods?
Give me my rent or you back out. Eh? Please, I beg. Now I beg, I go chop. I get family, they tell me I beg. Who I go tell I beg? Pack this thing, come on here. Client to book whatever. Pack here, paper from now.
Even the gods have no see money.
Stop that, who be your son? Now you got the same problems, but they come in your colleague. See this one? What kind of verse I beg? Might help you pack. When you reach my company, help me pack.
Osulao!
We are coming, bros.
Fast! Osulao!
No, keep my bros.
Osulao! Oh!
When you reach my company, go help me pack.
Osulao!
Untie that side, make her untie this side. Bros, I better hold on.
Osulao!
Osulao. Bros don't get money to pay rent. When the host does not do.
Now my work now is Sabinus. And make that fine cup now, make you join us.
Hey girl.
Me?
I don't drink.
Go for big. Money Chris. I know they drink alcohol. Why? Make I drink alcohol, make my liver begin to go. Then they carry me go up and then they toss my kidney feel. I don't die on my bed. If you don't be water, I know they drink. I don't worry. Chama, I know what you drink. But don't jump. I drink now. Now money they buy. Now money is money. Another call they matter. Drink. No worry. God, take water. Give me water. Take.
No more.
I hereby flag off the construction of a modern multi-billion hospital for people of Olani.
Sabinus.
You know as we do it, we are transparent. Of course. The project is in cash. And we have engineer Sabinus here. And of course, we are handing over 1 billion to him.
What's in there? Which 1 billion?
So this project is going to continue immediately. In 3 months, we are going to be done.
Hello? My wife, how far?
What thing happen?
It don't happen. I hit the contract now.
My husband will build hospital.
Ultra modern, brand new hospital. Constructed by me.
You don't know why it's going on.
You know now money don't show. Government money.
I'm not the wife of a millionaire. Now what's the plan? Give me plan.
That place where they stay. Quick. Come out of that compound. Don't pack anything.
Make I not pick anything.
All you need to do, bring out my children. Make una just come out, wait for me outside compound. I beg, before you come out, give the landlord dirty slap. For all the disgrace, please. Don't forget, dirty slap. Quick.
Hey, you go cry.
That's what we are going to have.
You go cry.
Cut the camera. Don't cut. Yeah. So,
is the construction money? Is the contract?
Yes, but there's a way we do it.
Jesus.
Governor, let's know our aim here. Are we building real life hospital or AI?
Now you know the use of Agbada for politicians.
What are we building now? Money don't finish.
This is your own. Do what you can with the remaining money.
2.5. How much is injection, Governor?
Let's go.
Governor, sir. Governor, what's going on now? What are we building?
Hello.
Easy, engineer. See where governor give you money to do project or tramode.
Yes, smart people.
About me to settle boys.
Look at what is remaining. 2.5.
I got me for the ojo. It's your way me.
Jesus.
One man.
Let's see the edit.
One man.
Where do I start from now? Where do I start from?
And you want don't slap landlord.
Make me say this woman will come out from this compound. Oh, Jesus. Hello, baby girl.
Hello, honey pie.
Where are you at the moment?
Would you outside compound as I talk to you now?
Outside the compound. Please go inside. Quick.
I don't think I said I already slap landlord.
Who already slap landlord? Who told you to slap landlord? I said just give him a little slap, not really harsh.
Maybe you don't say make I slap landlord. I give her 5 slap.
Give him 5. Where was the contract na beg?
No, landlord don't not get though. Yeah. I don't care that I talk to you about motor. You don't do anything. I don't even carry my bag. You talk say we go buy everything to my friend.
It's AI. The hospital is not real. You don't know Governor Amuneke again. Now in my middle. Rubbish.
Let's see the edit. Governor Amuneke again has awarded one of the biggest projects in Africa, an ultra-modern hospital, to engineer Sabinus. The money awarded was too much in cash that he had to call his people to help escort him home for his safety. It was such an emotional moment as he shed tears of joy.
Lord of God. Tears of joy.
How can I help you? I find road 5. As I stand here, did I look like a good map in your eye? Because you just see me stand on the road, you are asking me foolish questions. Come out from my front! Foolish boy. That's what they do, they be beggar.
Few minutes later.
Ah, bro, your face look familiar. I go road 5. Road 5?
The same guy.
Let me take you there because the road, you understand. Let me take you there.
So
you don't tell me say you know Sabinus
the same guy.
Sabinus face. I don't just look familiar.
You don't forget the beggar where you say you insult me. Say I be beggar just now.
No, I'm not like that. Oh God, I don't know. Say that you. I beg. Let me come down. I beg.
One man.
Pew. Mumu guy.
So sir, this is the land. I told you it's a waterfront.
Don't
look at the water like this, so just 2 trips of sand, you have done your filling and you can start building your house. I will even suggest you build a skyscraper with a penthouse so that on top of the penthouse you can stay there and be sightseeing. You see people moving up and down, left and right. So I also suggest you buy a speedboat because this water has a link to River Nile. 5 minutes from here, you are in Jerusalem. Are you serious? I'm telling you, you don't even need to build a toilet or bathroom. You can bathe in the water, you can put in the water will just flush it. Yeah, I'll go. This land is FCDA approved with registered survey plan and a C of O. You don't need anything to worry, just make payment and the land is yours.
I think I like it already.
Yeah.
I will build my personal house, yeah.
Personal house?
Yes.
Better, just make payment and it's yours.
Oh yeah, put your account number here.
Yes.
The one
I have sent it.
You sent it?
Yes.
I've seen it.
How much, bro? You don't tell us how much.
Got this one.
Hello. Who is this man? That's the pastor that will help you to cast out the marine spirit that is living here.
Marine what? What do you mean by that?
Oh, guys, you pursue me water for our house. You build your own house now. Wait to custom.
What kind of thing you tell? What is this? What kind of thing is that? Jesus! Hey!
I cast and bind wherever you must have sprung out from, wherever you're operating from. Don't buy land for this country. Don't go back to land.
This man has finished me.
Who does that?
Hi dear.
Baby. What's wrong?
Nothing. It's just that you didn't say good night yesterday. Are you angry at me?
Baby, I'm not. I just slept off after finishing my work.
Oh.
I'm not angry.
Okay.
Baby, I'm not angry. I just slept off. I've got so much work this period. That's why.
Okay, I'll leave you to work then.
Oh, baby. Baby, let's talk. I miss my baby.
Okay. Wait, am I being too clingy?
Yo, no, I love you and you're so perfect, babe. Like you, you're just overthinking. Stop overthinking.
Wait, do you really love me or are you just saying that so I won't cry?
Babe.
It's just that yesterday you said love you instead of I love you. That is not real love. That it means a lot.
Love me.
Even my friends, their boyfriends say I love you, not love you.
Okay, fine. I love you. Are you good now?
Better.
I want me to make plans for dinner. I should make plans for dinner.
Who is that? Your other girls, right?
Babe, no, in a meeting, on a notification for meeting where I said.
Meeting? What meeting? With who? Sarah from HR, right?
Yo, how do we get here now?
How do you not get here? If you don't want to talk to me, just say it and end the call. Rubbish.
Lami! Joe!
She never did serious in a relationship.
Bros, you don't sit down here for like 2 hours now. The only water you like drink.
My brother get date with one girl. And I tell us anybody will come late, go drink 3 water before she order food.
Bele go food.
You understand? I dare.
Clap. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
You can sit down.
Thank you. I'm so sorry I came late.
No problem. It's fine. It's fine. You remember our bet now?
What bet?
Anybody that comes late will drink 3 bottles of water before they order any food.
Oh, that's true. You said so. Oh my god, I'm so sorry I came late. It's fine. 1, 2, 3. I think you said 4. Why is it 3?
You go finish 4 water.
Okay, I didn't tell you. Anytime I finish 4 bottles of water, my belly dey tear. You know that? Once I finish water like this, water they make my belly tear. Man. Yeah, I'm not aware. Other food than 1 more water.
Pencil unbroken. X10. But I don't jam am. You don't jam am, Mumuga. You won't make the girl drink water so that her stomach will be too big and very, very heavy. Not to be able to eat normal food, you get. But you don't jam Agbako. So guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. So what's your favorite part of the video? For me, I think it's Sabinus. Sabinus Namumu. Sabinus and Agkaay. Yeah, Agkaay was fantastic. And a few others, yeah. But these two, these two make sense. They really make sense. So tell me yours in the comment section. And please check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. They will pop up on your screen. So you can check them out from there. You get. So see you in the next one, guys. Do not forget to subscribe and share.